How to recover deleted project in CapCut. So if you want to recover deleted project in CapCut, then first you just need to open up your CapCut application. Once you open up, now here you will have your projects, right? So here you will have your draft projects or your existing projects, and from here you can create a new project. So if you want to recover a deleted project, so for example, I'll be deleting this project. So go for the three dots and then go for delete and OK. Once you've deleted the projects, now what you need to do is go for the upper right, which has that trash option. Simply click on trash, and then here you will have all of the videos that you have deleted from your CapCut. So you can simply choose the video that you would like to recover, for example, these two, and then you need to go for recover option, which is right here, or the restore option, which is right here. Simply click on restore. Once you click on restore, now if you go back here, your projects have been restored. So that's how you can recover a deleted project in CapCut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.